Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, you've probably seen my video, right, about social interventions, where I mentioned the fact say it's a complete farce. Big waste of money, big waste of time. No social intervention, no work man, no clansman, no one order, a 5150, no bad breed, no drunken nation. It not gonna work. And I laid out in that video, if you haven't seen it, I think I actually gave you the date for when it will work, which is, I think it was January 36th or something like that. If you're the type of person who wait for see January 36th come, then link me for a unicorn. But in that video, I was talking purely from the perspective of somebody who really sit down and observe, right? Not just how gangs operate, about the culture and things like that. I made it clear, it's a farce. It not gonna work, waste of time, waste of money. But me also love the data. So I go look for some numbers, to give you. And in looking for some numbers, I came across an article from last year. Today I'm going to show you why I don't trust any of your favorite politicians, any of your favorite community activists, whatever they want to call themselves. People of Jamaica, none of them are downright legal scammers, taking taxpayers' money under the disguise of caring about youths. When we read some of the things in this article, we're not going to understand why I say that. Listen to this. Professor of Caribbean Sustainable Development at, he must speak. Who said? Right, so the think tank, Caribbean Policy Research Institute, CAPRI, right, indicated that the majority of social intervention programs for at-risk groups into which billions of taxpayers' dollars were funneled were not being monitored or evaluated. Spooky, right? It goes on to state, according to YouTuber Clayton, that's not YouTuber, that's Professor. Okay, so we're not talking about a little YouTuber, because that's what I am, and my main thing is really for bad mind scammers and make up things to get views. So this is not coming from a little YouTuber. This is coming from a professor. According to Professor Clayton, who is not a YouTuber, it was suspected that a great deal of money is suspected to have been misspent and misallocated. In other words, them thief not find money. In other words, them thief taxpayers' money. Listen to this. In the findings of the latest study testing challenges to measure, let me just get to the numbers. It is estimated that between 07 and 08 and 2017 and 2018, basically a 10-year time period, an estimated $387 billion was spent on these so-called social intervention programs. If, like me, you're confused, you're thinking, no man, so if you make a mistake this, I must a mistake. Maybe you mean millions. Maybe you mean millions, 387 millions. No. It's not 387 million. $387 billion were spent over a 10-year time period. Just call that, run it up, 39 billion a year. 39 billion a year. Comparatively, for the same time period, 898 billion was spent on education. I give you 5 seconds to soak that in. It's soaking in. Over a 10-year period, them spend $387 billion on unicorn meat social intervention programs, quote unquote, for the youth. And in the same time period, them spend $898 billion for education. Does that's soaking on it? If me never read it, that's a lie I tell. It goes on to state, yet the entity pointed out that Jamaica continues to experience some of the highest rates of crime and violence in the world and has the highest per capita murder rate in Latin America and the Caribbean. After spending $387 billion over 10 years, Jamaica still was number one for Latin America and the Caribbean. In other words, social intervention programs don't work. In other words, the video I make, enough, because when I make them video, enough people, I guess, they might have 3-4 degree, and then go school, and through me they go to school, right? Through me can't read and write too well, them link me. Who do you think you are? How come nobody else now said this? Well, me go dig up an old article and see it. They must say the same thing. Still number 1 in the region. Top 5 in the whole world for murder rate. After spending 387 billion. Listen to this. This report is one of the most depressing, and this is a direct quote from Professor Clayton. This report is one of the most depressing I have read in a long time. Everything in here we've pretty much known. But to see the numbers was really quite harrowing. I agree. Me didn't know say social intervention programs are a complete farce, a unicorn meat, but when me see numbers now, it's really harrowing. One key takeaway from the report is that over a 10-year period, 2007-2017, we spent $342 billion, and remember this is a direct quote and a mere talk. We spent $342 billion of Jamaican taxpayers' money, and most of this has been absolutely useless. We know this because none of this seems to have had any effect on the key indicators like the level of homicide. In other words, the data now back up on the foolishness. Remember when I make the video and I say, sure, when you can show me only one case and only man one chicken, yes? Bad breed man them still a kill left, right and center. Social intervention will never work as a murder reduction strategy. 87s still have to face the courts and their enemies, therefore them now go stop but still on a social intervention program. You know why the scamming part come in? If politicians have access to this data, because a little YouTuber can get it. If the people who quote unquote run these programs have access to this data, why do they keep pushing the social intervention programs? When you hear what the man them say, enough of the money get misallocated. People who not walk on. The reason why them keep I tell you say more social intervention is because they want more money for thief. And I mean say no. The article clearly states, right, that here we go. I'm going to give you the quote. Most of these projects, and again this is a quote, most of these projects, and there have been hundreds of them, are not synchronized, they are not coordinated, and for all we know, are misappropriated and misspent. Those are, that right there so is a fancy way. That's how people who go to big school tell you say money get thief. Misappropriated and misspent is a fancy way of saying them thief the money and stuff it in them big wanga gut. Enough of these. Remember one time, we let you say, that's not no crime fighting strategy. What we need is social interventions. How would you say that again? Remind me in the comment section, which one of your favorite politician they tell us say, what we need is more social intervention. Even though them have the data which is saying no work. Them have all this information. Why are they telling people? No man, we just need more social intervention. Even though the people who study them things they are telling us say are foolishness. Teeth the money anyway. They want more social intervention so more money can go in their pocket. The people who run these programs, them collect money from taxpayers, say, yeah man, we're going to help the youths, and then stuff it in them big wanga gut. Because all them care about is self. Them telling about social intervention because it sound like they are for the youths, they are for themselves. It's a scam. I know me I look on the numbers, she says it's a scam. It's a $387 billion industry. With that money they gone. Somebody has to be held accountable for that $387 billion. Sure where the money gone. Don't me tell them say enough of them social intervention program there. Enough of the money it took Dan and 87 to go buy a shot. Go listen to my first video. Go listen to the video. January 36th is when it will go work. Go listen, me tell them say enough of the money buy gun and shot anyway. Them carry taxpayer money go give man boy him a era leader. Oh man, him a era leader and he can talk to the youths. Talk to which youths? The numbers don't reflect it. When bad breed man then flare up, why you never talk to the youths then? You can't talk to nothing. Them a take taxpayers money. I thief some stuff in them wanga gut and I give the rest to bad man and I tell them sorry, I could just cool off. Just cool off for one look at it. cool off 3 weeks. Then they'll put out an article in the papers and say, see it, social intervention at work anyway, I get one next 100 million. Yeah, man. Hustle them a hustle. People at Jamaica, hustle them, take people for fool. Or if you spend 898 million for education, and spend almost 400 million on Jamaica release a Netflix series. I can't believe this. One time we said to them, the police them need technology where can spot the thief and put them on the car them. But them say, we don't have the money, so you find it for your social intervention program. When even the same police say, well, them need better pay, yo, we don't have it. If you tell the government say, we need this technology will help the people, we don't have it. Everything we don't have it. But we don't find $287 billion for stuff now on a big wanga gut. This is why I rate your leaders them. And the people them, we know much better neither. Because we don't hold them accountable. It's a 2-day story. But social intervention program, that's a farce. Just like how social intervention program is like one time people tell them say charity are going to help poor country. Charity not help the poor country. Charity has never taken a country to poverty ever. When you see how Haiti stay, every time something going on Haiti, when you see charity, donation, and all know one belly can full of Haiti. These programs and these take money. By the time the money done issue out to the little thief them, the youths them who them claim say it's supposed to reach them and get none anyway. Show me $387 billion with the programs in Jamaica. Show me. So this is why they come on TV and tell us, no man, we need more. Remember, then they talk like say, it's not been done. Remember that? But tell them say, why people are talking about we need to try social intervention like we haven't been trying it. Jamaica have been trying social intervention for a long time. Them talk about it like something that's not been done. It's been done, it's been measured, and it has failed. This is mind blowing to me. This is why I'm telling you, Jamaica is not a poor country now. Only thing, $287 billion liquid money over 10 years. Just call it 39 billion a year. 39 billion a year. I don't think some of these ministries get too much money. I'm telling you, enough of that money end up in a bad man hands anyway. People at Jamaica understand how garrison politics work. In a bad man place, when money is share up, bad man have to get first. When you go in a garden, but you get government money to do program, bad man get that first. Clansman get that first. One other get that first, and them take the money and then them now want distribute out and waiting them do the money first. Buy gun and shot. Strengthen them camp, strengthen their arsenal. This is why I'm telling you that there is no substitute for effective policing. Youngs have to be neutralized. A social intervention program, not nothing for no crime. $387 billion of taxpayers' money. Gone on the drain and nobody can explain to it how that go. But I just saw it go, right? Well, one but my own. The government need to calculate how much money out of that $387 billion belong to me and give back my own. Right. One but my money out of that. Because I won't take people fool. $898 billion pounds are better than they spend the money for education. Better than they dump the whole like education. Remember, Jamaica is a country where only about 30 high schools are putting out more than 50% of them students will pass 5 subjects including Maths and English. Only about 30. We don't want any more excuse. The government can't find money. The same way want to find money for the social intervention program, find money for the technology, find money for the forensic labs, find money for bringing the new legislation, find the money, can't find the money to get back to the same friend them. See that on your screen? Numbers don't lie. Anyway, you don't have to big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.